Watch the ride.
Hey everybody, hope you're all doing alright out there. So recently, while doing a bike review that should either already be up or will be soon, an incident happened in front of me which thankfully no one was hurt, but it was a very, very close call for a cyclist. And looking back at this situation, I think there are things that could be said for both sides, but I'm not going to say them. I'm going to leave it to the internet. Enjoy. I'll just show you the road layout. This is where it happened. Obviously these images are older, but the road layout itself is the same. If we put the car here and we look back up the road, you can see that where the cyclist came across was here, so it's quite visible. If we go further back down the road, still visible. So obviously the camera car is on the wrong side of the road here, but even from here we can see that junction. So from this position further back, you've got a clear view on this junction the whole time. As I say, I'm going to leave it up to you guys to discuss why you think this happened and exactly who is at fault and what could have been done on both sides, etc. But there is one thing I want to point out. Note that the car, when it gets to this point, it starts drifting across the central line, which leads you to think that maybe they weren't looking at the road at that time.
Whoa! Yee! My god, that was close. That has to be the closest I've ever seen a cyclist nearly be hit. That was insane. It was nearly brown bread